Right, let's see if the stream is running. I hope so. I hope my settings are good enough. I hope the quality is decent. It's at 20 kilobytes, 20,000. Oh, sorry, 20 kilobytes, of course. Kilobits, 20 kilobits, okay. 20 kilobits. So I wonder if this will work. Let me check. Of course, this will give an error. I also wonder in the meantime how the CPU load is, and it's good enough. It's 40%, which is quite a lot. But I expect that because processing 4K live is quite a challenge. Alright, just a short stream, just on some testing here. I was wondering if I could finally get my BRIO camera working in 4K, and the cable is still connected. I bought another cable. It's the third time, maybe more even, that I tried another cable because I couldn't get my BRIO camera working at 30 frames per second in 4K. I could get it working, by the way, but there was a lag of what is it, about a second. So a difference between sound and video, and that's not what anyone likes. So including myself. So I was thinking maybe the included cable with this BRIO camera didn't support 10 gigabits per second, which USB 3.1 Gen 2 should. Or is it USB 3.0 Gen 2, and that's the same as with USB 3.1? I don't know, I forgot, I lost count. And USB organization even doesn't know themselves, I think. Anyway, so I bought some other cables in the last month, and today I've received another cable from Reichelt, from a German store. It's still connected, so I only can show you the package. But anyway, that cable was again a fake cable. It definitely is not a USB 3 cable, and I can see it because that's simple. I hope the audio is working. Okay, you're still experiencing a difference between. Okay, that's too bad. Okay, but because it can be worse than this, Neil. What I was talking about is you can use some tools, for example the USB device viewer, which is included in some development tools from Microsoft. It actually shows the connection speed of your USB device, and I was checking it, and with this original cable it actually says USB 3.0 is enabled, it's supported with this connection. And using the other cables, every type that I used so far only showed USB 2.0 working, and at the bullet for USB 3.0 it says no. So those cables are just fake, and I hate that shops, even well-known shops like Reichelt, sell fake cables. Anyway, what can I expect for a couple of euro, you know? But still lag. Yeah, I know, it's a slight lag, but maybe I can change it on real time. Let me show you. So now it's set to... I cannot show you the screen at the moment because I selected the wrong scene collection. But anyway, what I can tell you is that the resolution now is 4K. It's 3830 by 2160, so 2160p. And when I put this on 30 frames per second, you will definitely notice an enormous improvement in lag, which is not good. So let me show you. I think you should be able to see it now. There should be even more lag. And this is worse. I can see it on my screen even. There's a lag of a second, something like that. I can see it on my own screen. But when I set this to 25 frames per second, the lag is less. It's still noticeable, but it's less. Yeah, it's definitely less, but it's still there, you know. So this camera is able to run, stream on 4K, and I hope you guys can see the stream is actually 4K. I hope you can confirm that. Oh, it's okay. You notice, you say it's the same. Not supported resolution for blah blah blah. The resolution for this video must be changed. The current resolution is blah blah blah. It's not supported. We want a resolution of 2K. Too bad. Okay, so I guess no 4K then. I can still try a lower FPS setting. Let's try 15 frames per second, but you will see that it's now not as sharp and as smooth as it should be. But maybe the lag is less. I don't know. I don't think so. I thought so. I thought the 25 frames per second was better, but yeah, charge your phone, Mark. Right. So this looks even a bit better, but when it comes to lag, latency, but it doesn't look any better when it comes to smoothness. I hate this 15 frames per second. It's really not enough. So it's not smooth. And of course, when I sit still, the quality is quite good, and the lag is a bit less, but it's still noticeable. I know. You say it's much better. So which one is better, 15 frames, or because I know there's always a lag when it comes to chat. Is 15 frames better, or is the I'm waiting for your replies, guys. I want to know. What is it? 15. Okay, 15 is better. But I think it's not smooth enough. Let's put it to 20. Let's see what happens there. So now it's at 20. It's better than 15. Maybe this is good enough in 4K. I'm not sure, but I don't like 20 frames per second, man. I love 60. I want 60. I guess I need another camera then. But I don't know which camera to buy, because BRIO is about the top segment of webcams. Okay, Mohammed, good one. So the BRIO is a camera of about €250, I think, when you buy it for a new price. I didn't buy it new, but still, I wonder if there's anything that can stream in 4K 60 frames. For a decent price. That's one. Maybe I should just find a 4K camera and use a capture card or something, which will be a lot more expensive, I guess. Just put the best settings on low and get 300 frames per second for mega smooth gameplay. Yeah, well, I'm not streaming games, you know. Lag is acceptable at current setting. Yeah, well, now it's 20 frames per second. So the problem is it's the picture is not smooth. But it's very sharp. That's a good thing. And maybe it's not the biggest problem, because when I'm streaming, I often stream repairs and other things, and then I'm focusing on the working desk. Yeah, well, I even wonder if 4K is that important then. Let's get back to one setting and tell me if you think this is better than 20 frames per second or not. I want to know from you. I want to know, because well, I prefer this one, but I don't know which settings I could change. I don't think there's any settings I could change. Let's try this one. It's a color setting. Does it do it? Ugh, wow, it's blurry now. It's the color setting is different. No, there's no good. This is no good. Right, let's put it back to partial. Oh, partial. Okay. I think it was better now. Yeah, this is better. A lot better. Strange. Didn't know that could make such a difference. Buffer. Let's disable buffering. Let's see what happens there. Does it make a difference? No, there's still a lag. There's a buffer setting here, so I wonder what that's for. Let's enable it. Let's see if that makes a difference. I don't think so. No, it's still the same. Really bad lag. 20 frames being best. Okay, 20 frames. You think? Okay, Peter, you think 20 frames per second is the best one? Okay, maybe I should. So then the question is only, should I do 4K at 20 frames per second, or should I do 2K, and I think I can reach 60 frames per second with that. So I think that's better. I can show you, but I have to resize the display, which looks ridiculous when I'm doing this live. But let's try it. Okay, let's set it to 2K, and then the picture becomes smaller. Hello, here I am. And of course, wait. I have to set it to the highest setting, which I'm not sure if it's set to 60 or it's set to 25. What? Oh, of course, my canvas is 4K. Oh, I cannot change this here. I cannot change this without oh, that's bad. I cannot change it without disconnecting first. That's a pity. So no 60 frames per second at this moment, and I wonder if I can actually. Oh, that's interesting. Use okay. I wonder. I'm going to check some things out when I disconnect. What do you love game on Specky? I love a lot of games on ZX Spectrum. I don't have time for them yet, although, so that's a pity. All right, so I cannot change video settings this way without disconnecting, which is a pity. So I wonder what would be better, 2K at 60 frames per second, or it's better this way? That's strange because I'm in 2K now. I wonder why this is happening. The webcam is set to 2K at this moment, so I wonder why I do not get smooth, lag-free. Oh, it's better. It's better. Okay, I think I just have to do more tests. More tests, I think. Yeah, I think I have to restart the stream. So I will do that. I will stop it, and I will do a second stream in 2K at hopefully 60 frames per second. And I think that's a lot better because the smoothness of videos is important too. I think I like it a lot. So let's try it. Okay, see you in a second.